Hey guys, Root One back with another video. I hope you are doing well, everyone, wherever you are. Today I was at work and I went to work and I was so bored, so I said, let me create an operating system. I built this one at work because I didn't have much work to do there because of all these seasons. So I said, let me try to build one at work. So I came up with this one. Let me so let me try to install it. Let me try to install this one. Here we'll put Arch. And we continue. I'll give it 3 GBs to CPUs. Here I'll give it 40. It will be enough, I think. And here it will be called Shrike. I have another Shrike, I think. Let me put Shrike 1. I built it at work. I was somehow bored, so I said, let me do something. So I came up with this one. Also, this video will show you how to, those ones who don't know how to use Calamoris for installation, for installing Shrike Linux or Arch Shrike, they can follow along. This one is mine. This Shrike Linux is mine. I'm not going to upload it. It's mine. Yeah. And also I think you won't need it because I didn't put like I just created it the way it is. I didn't put effort in it, so I think you won't like it. But we have Shrike Linux. I have Shrike Linux and Arch Shrike. You can choose from those ones. This one is mine. I'm not going to upload it. It will be the one I'm using here at home or even at work. I'll be using this one. We are going to install using Calamoris. I know the video is going to be long, but I think it will be good for those people who don't know how to use Calamoris. So let me put. There is someone asked me how to put the wallpaper. You right click, you go to desktop settings, you choose here. But I have my pack here. It's the one I'm going to put. Oh, I did a mistake. I had to select it, but I forgot to select. This one is going to be mine. I will not upload it because you see, when I left these ones on a desktop, I left these ones there, so meaning this one is not for other people to use, it's just mine. I built it at work. I was just bored. Then I said, let me do something. So I came up with this one. This is App Finder. I told you I want to use Rofi again. I have App Finder. So these are my workspaces here. The workspaces, time and date, battery, what is this, settings, here clipboard, this one changing your theme here. We have VPN there, and I have a firewall and Bluetooth for you. The other things, yeah. So those are the things I created at work. Let me put this one here. I think so. Which one should I choose? Let me choose this one. Alright, we are going to begin installing the installation. I know it will work on VPN. Okay, here we get our installer. The installer is not on desktop, so you have to spawn your menu. Here you spawn a menu. All, right click, go to application, go to system, and find the installer there. So let's install. Let me try to minimize this one. It's not connected on the internet. Why? Let me see. Sudo systemctl restart network manager. Network manager. Service not found. It's okay. Let's go with anything which is there. Let me see if I can install it offline. Maybe with offline I can. Africa. Where? Kampala, Uganda. I told you I'm from Uganda. I'm a Ugandan. You select your disk, then I always use this one, swap on to file. I will call it root 1 Shrike root 1 root 1. Then put your password here, and then if you want to log in automatically, you use that one. but I want to use my password whenever I'm logging in. Then you install. So that is how you start the installation using Calamoris. Those people who don't know how to use Calamoris, that's how we do it. I really don't know if it will install, because right now it's showing I'm offline, maybe because of a VPN. Yeah. Let me leave it there to go on. So I've explained you everything here. Yeah, and everything. There is nothing much. I did put much effort in creating this one, because I was at work. I said let me install ArchISO. I configure that ArchISO, and then I get my repos and everything. That is it. Just I was bored. I wanted to do something, so I came up with this one. So here I think it will take long, and as it is going let me show you what we have here. I don't know if the RAM I've given this one will permit us to use it, but I opened the firewall. You saw it. Here we have a vocal screen recorder. I have put Thunderbird. Octopi is here. I open this one, maybe not everything because of RAM. I feel like it might misbehave. Excuse me. So here, but I won't do anything. This is Octopi. This is a free tube. I love this. I really I love using this thing. Sometimes, most of the time, okay. I think, okay, I'm not pushing this one to other people, but maybe I thought that maybe there are some people who are really interested to use it. That's why I left it on the other two ISOs, Shrike and Shrike Linux. There, it's there, free tube. Let me see if I have Shrike. Yeah, I have internet. The connection is there. So this is my channel. You just subscribe like that. Afterward, your feeds come here. They are all here. These are the first videos I had. How Shrike Linux was looking by then. Then I had to modify it and everything. Okay. What made me to drive that way was that the people who really used to contact me to change the look of it and everything. So I started modifying it. Yeah. So we have Shrike and we have Shrike Linux, and This one, Shrike Linux, is mine. It's not for everybody. So even here we have I have FileZilla, and also on those ISOs which I uploaded, still there is FileZilla there. I think FileZilla is not some people likes they will love to use it. Yeah, that's why I had to put it there. We have Brave browser. I know most of people like to use Brave browser, but for me, I just use Brave browser just for my YouTube channel. That's all, nothing else. Yeah. And also the reason why I had to add Brave browser in Shrike Linux and Arch Shrike is that those people who don't want to use Firefox, then they can use Brave. And also, if you think that it has frozen, I think. Okay. All right. This is Brave. And also, if you feel like you don't want Firefox, you can uninstall it. For those people who don't know how to use a terminal to install or uninstall something, you can easily say sudo pacman. You can use rdd or rnsc. You can use that one, but that one removes everything. But for rdd, there are some packages which are depending on a package which can remain and others go. It works in that way. I now have not explained you well, but I think you can get me. So that is how you uninstall things. And to install, you use S. Let's say S, and then you do like Vim if you want to install Vim that way. So that is it. Here, what else do I have? I have Mousepad. Mousepad is my favorite text editor for GUI. Qt browser, there are some people who told me they need Qt browser, so I included it on those two ISOs, Shrike Linux and Arch Shrike. And then Vim is a default. Vim and Mousepad, these are default. If you want to use graphical, you use Mousepad. With Mousepad, let me say, if I tell you type something like I want to use Vim. So to save it, Ctrl S saves it. I will not save. Ctrl S saves it. Ctrl R, it can replace a word, like let's say Vim, replace Vim with Mousepad. Then you can take this one, or matching the characters or cases, or word, match the whole word. It depends on what you want. If you have a lot of documents you have opened, then you just say this, you put all documents. So whatever change you change here, it changes on other document, which you see it has changed here. And also you can use find, Control F, then to see to, let me say want, then you press enter. You see it is highlighted. So I really like this text editor. It has finished installing. Here we have Xcolor. Xcolor really helps me so much. I demonstrated how to use it. You just click here, you click on the color you like, then you paste it somewhere. Paste it somewhere like that. That is how we do it on Linux. Create this is our Thuna file manager called Thuna. What else? Screenshot. This one takes a screenshot like this, then take a screenshot, then you save it somewhere. Then if you go here, we open it with Illustrator. It's that one. We have taken a screenshot. So that is it. And let's say we have MPV. We have Firefox. We have these ones are, you know it. I told you. I forgotten to load my configs. I forgot the configs. Anyway, it was not for using for other people. It's just mine. This is my terminal, and this is Firefox. There is Firefox. It's opening. This is Firefox. Alright, so let's reboot. And the other ISOs, you don't have this window, this one, which shows restart. So to do that, you just place, you go to and click, you press done, and then you do like this and log out. Then you press restart. And the other ISOs, this one you just click like this, and then it reboots itself. It's restarting right now. Shrike Linux. You see, I told you you don't take long like to install the distro. It's not like for those people who comes from Windows. I think they will be shocked to see that Linux, it works like this. You install something and in a few minutes it's done. You have your system. So that's the reason why we like Linux. Those are some of reasons, many reasons, but those are some of those reasons which makes us to stick on Linux. So we have installed. We have installed Strike Linux. Strike. First fetch. This is Strike Linux. Alright, thank you so much. I'll end here this video. It will end here, and have good times, good happy holidays wherever you are. Bye.